Hey, welcome to this Meshmoon short tutorial number 7. Today we're going to do some teleports. So actually we are back on this small platform and I've created some little cubes to define the two zones that we will teleport from. So zone A here, teleport 1, and there teleport 2. Okay, so to do so it's very simple. We're gonna go in the build mode by Control B. And here you can find in the drop down list teleports. Okay, so let's see. We have zone A, zone B, zone 1, zone 2. Let's create one teleport first. Create new. Here you can see that there are several parameters. First is the parent of the name of the object that, for example, we need to click if we want to teleport. So let's see what's under destination Meshmoon space. This is if you want to teleport to another space, because today we're gonna teleport in a local space, but you could teleport to another space. So here is target name, position if you want to do it by hand, but we can move it with the arrows here, so it will be simpler. Then the proximity, that means if we use the trigger on camera proximity, this is how far our avatar will be affected by the teleport. So 5 meters is what we see here with the green sphere. And here is the trigger on mouse left click. This is why we need to put a parent entity name. And this is the colors of teleport destination, that is in purple and green, the trigger. So let's move first maybe the trigger close to teleport 1 like this. Okay, and then move the destination to the other way, here close to our destination. So should be actually approximately centered. This one is okay, this one is not okay. Here it's better. Okay, so now that we have set our to space, I'm gonna parent this trigger to this cube. So what's the name of the cube? Here it's teleport 1 zone, so let's copy the name, go back in teleport and say in mouse click trigger entity, the parent is teleport 1 zone. Then let's change this trigger on camera proximity to trigger on mouse left click, and as we know that our destination is okay, let's execute the teleport. So it has sent me automatically to destination, so that's good news. Now we're going to check that we can click on our object. So let's click here. Okay, it proposes to launch the teleport, so that's good. Let's say yes, and we are teleported. Okay, so now let's do some way back and create a second teleport. So here we go, new teleport number 2. Same as before, we're going to move. Okay, this is destination, so we're going to move destination to the first teleport, and we're going to move the trigger here to a second teleport. Okay, so now what we need to know is the name of this object, so let's click on it. We see that it's called teleport 2 zone. Let's copy this, go in teleport 2, and here in the parent entity, Control V, put the name of our trigger. So let's change this trigger to a trigger on mouse click. Check that our destination is okay and execute teleport. Okay, so as before it have automatically teleported us. Now let's see if I click here on this object if it will teleport me. Yes. Okay, so we can get rid of this pop-up if we want just by clicking here confirmation teleport from user, and let's do the same in the first one here. So execute. Maybe I forgot to teleport to execute. Okay, so now we can go away from build mode and walk through our space, knowing that we can go from point A to point B very easily. Okay, so this was how you can create very easily some teleports inside Meshmoon. See you for the next tutorial.